Hello everyone, welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you American flag nail art design step by step guide. What's not to love about the 4th of July? Watching fireworks and eating all the yummy foods at the cookouts are always a ton of fun, and what make this holiday so great. With this all American design, you can find your own special way to celebrate the country. Let's talk about the step number 1. Start by painting your thumb and index finger nails with a blue nail polish. Then paint the rest of your nails with a red nail polish. Step number 2 is dip a dotting tool into white polish and place a few dots in polka dot pattern on the blue nails. Step number 3 is using a nail art brush and white nail polish. Create a stripe by painting thick horizontal lines onto the red nails. Step number 4, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. When you are looking for classic stars and stripes, 4th of July nail art ideas to steal the show of Independence Day, I am here to guide you. Below are some tips. When saying the Great Independence Day, the first thing that comes to your mind may be the USA flag inspired style. So, the smartest choice is sticking to the main color palette and getting your red, white, and blue on. Nothing reflects the American spirit better than the color tones. You can apply with the country symbols such as the American flag pattern like the stripes, stars, American eagles, the symbolic of a state of liberty, the fireworks and more. Then mix to match different themes and style to paint a pretty patriotic picture in red, white and blue tones. You also plus a little fun to traditional stars and stripes manicure with the glittery gold accent nail. I have rounded up some of my favorite 4th of July and stripes nail art design ideas, trend and stickers below so you can get your fancy. Maybe a little original and maximum striking nail look. Have a look at the collection of 4th of July nails and celebrate the Independence Day with peace and harmony. Thank you very much for watching my today's video. If you like my video, please do subscribe and hit the like button. And if you have any query about the channel and in this video, please comment me below. Thank you very much. Bye. Take care.